Are you looking for the top 5 best smart thermostats you need? Everyone thinks the best-selling smart thermostat is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential caught my eye right away with its sleek design and price point of $139.94. If you want to save on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable, this is worth a serious look. The Smart Thermostat Essential can save you up to 23% on heating and cooling costs. It adjusts based on your schedule, so it saves energy when you're not home and optimizes comfort when you are. This matters because nobody likes returning to a hot or cold home after a long day. Plus, it's compatible with 85% of systems, ensuring it can fit into most households without a hitch. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly, and with the ecobee app, you can control everything from your phone while you're on the go. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky if you don't have a C-wire. Here's the thing though, even if that's an issue for you, the power extender kit is available to solve that problem, and many users find the DIY installation manageable. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient solution without high-tech complexities. Skip this one if you prefer something with more advanced features like air quality monitoring. At $139.94, it offers solid value for cost-conscious consumers.
Product number 2. ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Next up is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, priced at $199.99. This model really has some impressive features that caught my eye. If you want advanced comfort customization and efficiency, this deserves your attention. The enhanced version can save you up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs. It uses built-in radar occupancy to preheat or pre-cool your home before you arrive, ensuring it's just the way you like it when you walk in. This is super convenient because no one wants to wait for their home to cool down after a long day. It also learns your temperature preferences, adjusting based on your activities and even the humidity levels. Some users have mentioned that they found the app sometimes laggy. I'll be real with you, while that might be annoying, many still find the features worth the occasional hiccup. This is great for tech-savvy homeowners looking for energy savings and comfort control. Skip this if you're looking for a basic setup without the bells and whistles. For $199.99, you're getting a solid investment in energy efficiency. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list, product number 3. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. The Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat is an intriguing pick, especially given its user-friendly approach. Priced affordably, this is a great option for those seeking a straightforward smart thermostat. If you're after simplicity without sacrificing efficiency, check this out. This thermostat helps you save about 23% on HVAC energy costs. It features flexible scheduling, remote access, and even usage reports. The best part? It doesn't require a C-wire for most applications, making DIY installation easy peasy. This is huge if you're not very handy. You can set it up quickly and get back to your life. However, some reviews mentioned that its design feels a little basic compared to sleeker options. But honestly, if you want functionality over looks, this could easily win you over. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss installation process. Skip this if you prefer something that looks more high-end in your home. This thermostat gives you product number 4. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is next, and it's a beauty. With its advanced features and a price tag that reflects its premium status, it really stands out. If you want top-notch energy savings and air quality monitoring, this is worth a serious look. This model can save you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. It comes with a smart sensor, ensuring comfort by adjusting temperatures based on occupancy. Plus, the built-in air quality monitor alerts you when your air quality dips, which is essential for a healthy home environment. And with compatibility with 95% of systems, installation is a breeze.
Now, some users found the price a bit steep compared to others, and I get that. However, if you consider the smart features and potential savings, it could pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a thermostat that does more than just control temperature. Skip this if you're simply looking for a basic model. For the premium features, the price feels justified.
Product number 5. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen. Finally, we have the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen. This model is often regarded as the best, and for good reason. If you're all about smart technology that learns and adapts, this is the thermostat you should consider. This thermostat can save up to 31% on heating and cooling bills, which is impressive. It learns your schedule and preferences, adjusting itself accordingly. The larger, vibrant display makes it easy to read from across the room, and its compatibility with most systems means you can likely install it without a hitch. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices. However, some buyers have noted its higher price point can be a deterrent. I understand that, but if you're looking for a long-term solution, the cost can be offset by the savings on your bills. This is perfect for you if you love tech that makes your life easier. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or...
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, and the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what fits your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for simplicity or advanced features, there's a smart thermostat here for you.